3, let's go!
Hey YouTube, Mitch here. Have a little do-it-yourself project. We are redoing a mud room and we're working on the 3/4 round ceiling trim. We are having a really hard time with figuring out the correct angle to cut an inside corner. So we're going to show you a little video with what we came up with. To start with, we're going to be coming from the right side to the corner, the right side, and we just held up our piece and then labeled ceiling side and wall side. So since we are coming to the corner of the wall to the right, from the right side, we're going to feed our trim into the saw from the right side as well. And then since it's a square inside corner, we are going to turn it to 45 degrees to the right. So right hand wall, right hand corner. Then before we make the cut, the key is to put the wall side of your trim against the fence of the saw. And that will give you the correct angle. That is where we kind of had a hard time right off the bat, so I'm going to say it again. The wall side of the trim has to be against the fence of the saw. Okay, so this is the piece we just cut, the right hand piece. And we've obviously got to cut it on this side yet, but that is what it should look like in the corner. So now we're going to start with our left hand piece. Right here, we're going to hold it up right there and just label the two sides. So ceiling and wall. So here we are with our the piece coming from the left. So again, we're going to feed it the left hand side of the saw. And again, since it's a square corner, we're going to go 45 degrees to the left. So left hand side, 45 degree angle to the left. And remember, wall side is going to be against the fence of the saw. So here's our left side piece. I'll hold it up, and that is what it should look like. This is what the corner will essentially look like. Alright, and there's the final product. Alright, that's what we got for you guys today with the 3/4 round ceiling trim. If you got any questions or comments, please leave it below. And just remember, if we can do it, so can you.